Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Simon Plays and Astroneers. Last episode we ended by building a nice rover, and that means we can now drive around and have oxygen. So then the question becomes, what are we looking for here? Well, we need iron. We don't need the bucket for that, but I'd like to just if I can get back to the base, to drive around a little bit and see if we can find something cool out there. Doesn't look like we yeah, it is quite mobile, but it has its limits, that's for sure. Now if we're gonna drive around, we need some backpack space, just in case we find something cool. So let's just free up some space here. We have a lot of these soil canisters. I don't need to be carrying those around. So let's go see if we can. Oh, is it done? Nah, it's not done. Okay, let's see if we can find something cool out there. Oh, it is? Oh, what was that sound? Oh, yeah, it's done. Alright. Let's just prepare that one. So, yeah. We have unlimited range with this guy because of this power supply put on it. That means we have one more spot to put a thing. Okay, we can't go that way. But we should be able to get back this way, yeah. So let's see what's out there. We'll find. Well, oh, we got a flip button. Ah, that's very nice. That's very handy. Yeah, we need that because this uneven terrain and all that. Alrighty. So, where do we want to go? Let's just. No, we done all that. Let's go this way. So we got iron, and we can come back and take care of that later. Oh, compound. Yeah, we got the soil centrifuge. Looks like we need to level this out a little bit. There we go. Alright, guess we have to just leveling that out a little bit. Let's see if we can. It is it's very reactive, let's put it that way. So there we got a balloon thing in it. But the terrain on this planet is not really. It's not easy to navigate with these ledges. I got something over here. Let's go check that out. There might be something cool. Let's take a look here. We got a lot of these side pylons. Oh, we got thingy or whatever. We can't really. These research things, we can't really bring them. I don't think that they will attach to the small thing we have here. We would need some kind of trailer, yeah, that kind of stuff for it. Now this guy here we can open. We can just borrow our power supply here. And connect that in there. Now just wait a second. What's this we have up here? Ah, we got a tether. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna take a little bit. let's go see what we have up here. Got some resin. Research item. More resin, and there's some ammonium over there. Good. We already have ammonium, to be honest, so don't need that. Alright, it looks like it's opened. Let's hope we get something nice here. Looks like a research item. It's not really... I don't think we can... yeah, it has 2 connectors, so if we had a vacuum or something, but we don't. Not yet anyway. I'm sure I think there was an option for that. Trailer or something like that. We got another one here. This is probably also just a research item. The last 2 I've found of these guys has been research items, but let's just see. Would be nice with something else. Does this show? No. I should be working, right? I got something over here. Let's just check out what that is while we're waiting for that thing to open. Can't utilize scrap yet, so we can't pick that up. So no. I think what we probably should be doing. It doesn't look like there's much out here. We could just focus on. Why is this not working? Desired power input. I guess we're not. We're just not producing enough power. All right. Well, doesn't look like there's all that much to be had out here. Let's see if that's enough. Oh, come on, there you go. Yes, it was. Now we got quite a lot of these parts around. Perhaps we can. Perhaps we can work with this guy here. Yeah, it's beeping all right. And here we go. It's filling up. Let's move this guy a little bit back. So let's see if this is also a research item. Then I think I will just go back to our base and focus on getting iron. And we need copper as well, I think. I don't think we have many points left. Oh yeah, we got 2800. That should be okay for some kind of tech. Yeah, this is also a research item. So, yeah, we're not really getting anything out of that because we cannot bring that back, I'm afraid. Oh. No. Okay. Yeah, that would take forever to bring it back. So, alright, where's our base? Can I see? Yeah, I guess it's this way, right? So let's try and go that direction. So yeah, iron it is. We need some wagons, trailers, and something with this guy here. Well, we do have iron here. We might as well, right? These balloons. Big amount of iron here. Very nice deposit here. Oh yeah, this is lovely. Yeah, I don't know if we can get copper from here. Yeah, let's get one more iron, and that's about all we can handle. There we go. Alright. That's pretty good. Let's see. Nice, beautiful sky here. Got a ton of these power requiring pots. So once we get some wagons for this one here, we can go out and get a lot of these research items. Come on, there you go. Alrighty. Yeah, it's nice to be able to explore without having to worry about oxygen or sitting down all these tethers everywhere. That can become a little bit tedious, to be honest. Alright. And just get rid of this compass here. There you go. That should do. No? Yes. Let's just park there. Okay. So, yeah, this is where we need to be. So that's 8. Right. Let's take a look at if we can get something more for our buggy here. No. So that's railroad. Is there no cars with this? No, no trailers or something like that. Crane. It might be in row seat tractor. Can tow a limited number of trailers. Yeah. Trailer for use with tractors. Okay, so this is what we want, right? We want a tractor and we want trailers. And that is made in the medium guy. that's the small one, so we need this guy here, I think. No. Ah, here we go. 2 pieces of aluminum. Yeah, I should probably shoot this tractor from the get-go, right? Okay. Alright, we are getting some iron now. Moving and hauling. There's our tractor, and the compound and aluminum. Yeah, we should have all that. In fact, okay, that's a lot of compound. Okay, we can make 2 of these. Yeah, let's make 2 of those. I don't know how many trailers it can actually handle, but yeah, I'm sure it can handle 2 trailers, and hopefully that means we can carry some research items back. And with this iron here, we should be able to put some more nice things. Let's take one thing at a time here. Everything's going a little bit slow right now. That's okay. So what else? Oh, we can get a drill. Oh, they attached to robots. Let's make another. Yeah, we already got that. Nah, we don't need that. Yeah, we need a tungsten before we can do that. Got that. Resin and compound. Yeah, we already have it. So we should probably set that up at some point. Let's just see what we can do with this tractor here. The question is, where do we want to put it down? We'll put it down here. We can always mine our way to a road. Okay. So how do I connect it like that? Come on. There we go. Right. This guy needs some power, I'm sure. Right? Yeah. There we go. There's some power in there. Oh. Oh, that was a fancy way of getting out. That's perfect. Now these one have 2, so we should be good with regard to research items. Yeah, that's brilliant. Just get these guys here out of the way. Let's go pick up some research items. Oh yeah, that works. Well, somewhat. Okay, I think this one here is a little bit in the way. So let's just run on the battery. We can see how long that battery lasts. Oh, it's struggling. Come on. Oh yes, you can do it. It looks like the battery doesn't last very long, to be honest. Yeah, I've still got our two wagons here. Yeah, we can't go that way. What if I... Oh, that works. Oh, okay. Right, perfect. That works for me. Yeah. We got a compound up there. Oh, we got something here. This is not working, is it? No. That's not working. We did open some other guys out here. Bang. It's straight ahead. There's some robust vehicles we're building here. I guess that's not where we opened any. Perhaps they despawn once they're opened. That could very well be. Yeah, I don't want to pick those up. I want those research items that we get from the parts. I'm betting that they are, oh Jesus, that they are more valuable. We are quite far up here. Oh, come on. Yeah, the tractor's pretty awesome. I'm not sure how many wagons we can take with us here, but yeah, 2's pretty good. Come on, come on. Yeah, we're taking that. Could just mine this compound now. I'm better off mining iron, to be honest. That's kind of, you know, we can get this guy here. Let's see, there might be some on the other side. Nope, no luck. Well, last time I was out, we found quite a lot of these parts, and now we're not finding any. That's strange. Yeah, 132, that's pretty good. Yeah, I'm not sure why I got the achievement for a multiplayer session. Yeah, that's not what we're doing here. Come on. I got some more of these research items, but not the ones I'm looking for. Oh, we got quite a lot of them now. Jesus. Alright. They're really tempting us. Right. Getting some good stuff here. Go, go, go. Ah. Right. Come on. Yeah, these the internal battery of this thing is horrible. So you definitely need some kind of power source with it. Okay. Yeah. Where did we get up? This place, yeah. It seems like we draw around the whole place. We can't get these wagons to slip too much on the ice. They're pretty sturdy. Yeah, it brakes pretty nicely. Got some good brakes on this thing. Yeah, we can probably get down here. Oh, yeah, if I drive, then you can get down. Do we get the iron? Let's wait. I would like to get auto miners. Oh, there's something over here we should probably take a look at. Looks interesting. Yeah. What is this all about? Gravity globe. So this is just another kind of transportation device. Oh, well, that was an easy mission. Yeah, I prefer my tractor, to be honest. Oh, there we go. We got one up here. How do we get up there, though? Let's see where this leads. Not up there yet. We'll get to it eventually, I'm sure. Now we got another one up there. No. That's too optimistic. That's probably better. Oh yeah. Oh, we got something over here. Let's go check that out. Might lead us to a way up there. What is this? Graphite. Let's get moving. I'm getting attacked here. It's just another one of those. Right. Let's see if we can make our own road up there. Yep, this works. Great. Let's go see if we can open this thing over here. Yep, we got the sound. Alright. I can have a drink while we are waiting for this one. Oh yeah, we got a good amount of bites here, to be honest. Yeah. Iron and tungsten. We still need to find tungsten. Also for the shredder. But we get that iron back to our main planet, and then we can look into what it takes to make tungsten. Alright. That was good. That's good. That's one of these research items. Come on, yes. Tractors are awesome. Yeah, no wonder farmers are such happy people. Get to drive around these big tractors. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I doubt they have a tractor as hyper mobile as this one though. And this one is very reactive. Yeah, come on, push. Very nice. Come on. I don't want to have to get out here because that thing will blow up. Yeah, for some reason the hostile fauna does not react to vehicles. So when you're in a vehicle, nothing happens. But the moment you get out, on the other hand, then you're fair game again. But in the vehicle, you are perfectly safe. Got a lot of scrap on this planet. Not a pilot. And a research item. I say we get this one and we look at getting back in. Oh, we have room for two things like that. Yeah, we don't have any side things on those, so yeah, I'm gonna have to live with this one being in the front. A ton of scrap here. Wow. Is that something special? It certainly looks special. Yeah, I want to take a look at that. Let's see what that's all about. Got some kind of power port here. Yeah, I guess I don't know. Just so I don't forget that I have that. Well, let's see what happens if we plug some power into that. There's some cool floor effects here. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what that does. Perhaps well, we can actually plug this one into both of them, I suppose. If we just do something like this. No. Nah. What if we put it right here? It is not. It's not long enough. Come on. I have a feeling that they put these in such a way that you need two power sources in order to to power that. Well, right then. You will have to wait with all that then. Not sure what this is all for. But we got some research items, so let's see if we can find a way back. Yeah, come on. There you go. Oh, we got a thingy over here. Let's see if we can open that one up. I would rather have that than the other research item I have. Oh my god. Right. Good thing we didn't die in that. Ah yeah, it's working. You just have to wait a little bit. Yeah, I would like the trade platform and all that. Is there anything else? Tapper. Yeah. That might be good. And then a timer block. Ah, there we go. Ah, all right. Well, since that's possible, let's just do that. Why not? I don't know if it's... Yeah, it's okay, I suppose. Not sure what that is, but there's no power, so we're not doing it. Where did my... Oh, it is right there. Okay, I'm just worried now. I thought I forgot it. Our power supply. No, that looks like it's blocked, so we have to... Yeah, come on. Can we? Yes, we can. Oh, we got something here. All right. Well, time to swap that out. There we go. Well, we got quite a lot of these now. We maxed out on these things. We're also running out of power now. Let's go as far as we can and then we recharge the tractor. Alright, so when you run out of fuel, yeah. You really run out of fuel here. It doesn't take long to recharge though. Just like that. And we are back to tractoring. Okay. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Just gonna power through here. Yeah, the tractor is the best. And nobody can deny that. Let's see if we can push through here. Come on. No. Oh, Jesus. Let's not go down there. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. You know what? Let's help ourselves a little bit here. We have the technology. Alright. I'm supposed to go this way. Ah. Right. Let's refuel again here. I'm not leaving any of these behind. Oh. Nah, we can't put it on one. It just looked like I put it on one there for a second. I don't think it was stuck to the trailer, so. Yeah, it's a bit of a long way home, but we got a very good harvest here. And now we got the icons, so we should be fairly close. Yeah, that's our tether line. Push, push, push. Go, go, go. Yeah. That is awesome. Now we just need to get up here. Oh, lovely. Let's get that radar compass thing off our hut. Let's get these guys over to our research thingy. Ah, it's done one. Let's just hold on. Yeah, this way. I think this was a very good harvest. Yes. Okay. We could use some more power production, really. So while we're not driving, let's just plug this guy in here. Like that. That should help. Yeah, the question is, what is the move now? We have the iron. We need the copper. So, let's see, copper. Malachite. Malachite. Silver. So in our home planet, the first planet, it is we find the copper in the mountains, but there's no copper here. So I say we bring as much iron as we can. Yeah, we can. There. Yeah, we should probably bring some ammonium. That's for the rocket fuel anyway. Okay. And then we can yeah, see now he's researching the good stuff here, so let's plug this one. Yeah, you can see how much it gives. Can we? Oh, 7,000 bytes in that. Wow. So that's 21,000 there. That is very good. I love that. Yeah. I think I will be bringing this guy here with me down. Just there. And then I say we go back to our first planet. And yeah, let's do that. We got the iron. We just need the copper now. And we can build some of those cool things. It's just a matter of where we want to go. Oh. You want to go back home, and what was that called again? was our home planet called? I think it was Silver. Is that right? Pockmark. No, that's not it. It's not that one. Sunblasted Dry. That doesn't sound right. That's an exotic planet. That's not right. Atrox. Hold on. Let me just see what that planet was. The name of that. Oh, it is silver. Okay. Where was that? There it is. Let's go to silver then. I think we just flew through the planet there. Okay. Alright, so where is our landing spot? It must be this one. So let's go over there. And plop. Down we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back home. That is nice, isn't it? And we got a ton of iron that we can plop down here in the resource hole. And that's going to be it for this episode, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. In the next episode, I suspect we will be looking into getting some copper. I don't remember if we got any of that. Yeah, I don't see any copper down here. Oh yes, we do. We do have copper. No, not the ceramics. So we do have some copper. And by some copper, apparently I mean... no, that's a little bit more there. Alright, we have 3 pieces of copper. Alright. Well, next episode, ladies and gentlemen, we will be looking into what we want to be building with that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.